Don't worry about the protest. It's the children, they ask for more freedom.
Yeah, because everybody in the UK is telling me, "Hey, are you okay? Is
everything okay?"
on? The news are all over the place, and everybody's worried." So. I'm going to show you the longest escalator in the world.
And the coastal area, so every day we travel by this and then back to office and then go back home. Temple was built on 1856, the first temple in Hong Kong. I mean officially. And actually it's under the legislation ordinance of Chinese temple. That means it's under the law. It's not a private one. It's administered by some charity and fund. The Toshison. This is the official of the heaven. They administrate different things under heaven of God, the emperor of the heaven. Under that, these are different official. All this Chinese custom, different idols is a different official in the heaven, and then they go to the earth to help people. This is the most.
Una ciudad de 7,5 millones de habitantes. Estoy con mi guía Paul, que me está enseñando todos los lugares. En este momento estamos en el templo Manmo Temple de la religión taoísta.
See the chimney? This is the offshore island, the landmark island. You can see each is electric plant over there. For the landmark island. This is the fishing village, the fishing boat in Hong Kong. This is a fisherman. They own the boat and then they go out for maybe 3 weeks to a month to catch the fish to outside Hong Kong, a long distance. Like this one, traditional fishing boat, a big one.
are walking now by the ladies' market. So if I want to buy something, I need to do very strong negotiation, I was told. We'll see.